your cause is swept away with financial gains, you may lose your respect and existence not only within your own group but within the eyes of your opponents as well. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review The Most Hated Women. The story revolves around Madeleine Murray, and she is the outspoken atheist. Through her actions, at that time, she divided the community or the people. So she was stigmatized as like the person who polarized the community. So in the schools at that time, the prayer was mandatory, but she said that I am not interested in giving this to my child. So she battled with the court and she won, and after that she started her organization, the American Atheist, and the money keeps started coming out once she get the financial breakthrough by having a dialogue with one of the pastor. So when there is a battle going on, definitely people will take a side either of the left or the right. And thus comes the time that people lose their sense of understanding and they keep starting giving donations to both sides for their stance. And that happened with her. But no matter whatever the situation is, sometimes the problem is not from outside but within your own family. That's why William, her son, was against it, and when he reaches to adulthood, he became estranged from her, and he joined the church and he was very active at that time, and he said that whatever she is doing is definitely spoiling the generations. So now, though she was pregnant at that time and she got another son, John, who was continuously pampered by mother, and he was closer to her. And there come her granddaughter Robin. She was also with her, and this organization was having fruitful funding from all the people around them, whether they are strangers or whosoever, and it was very huge. So now what happened, they hired a person as a, in the movie they just said it that they hired him as an office manager, but he was just hired as a typester, and later it was promoted, and he has all the list of where the money is coming from. So he lost his temper at one time and outside, and he fought with somebody and he went behind the bars. But before that, even though Madeleine was totally atheist, but she loves enjoying Christmas. And at that time in the movie, she had a fight with him. So at the party, David was the person who was hired, as they said it in the movie. He was hired as office manager, but he was a typist, and then promoted to office management, and he knows all the financial stuff, where the money is coming from, and now there are plenty of people in the office, so he knows everything. And then he was talking about tax evasion and all these things, and then Madeleine overheard him, and she fired him. So that was also the cause that angered him, and then he got mad, got a fight with somebody, and went behind the bars, and just came back. After that, he had a friend, and with his friends he kidnapped Madeleine, her son John, and granddaughter Robin. And Kerr was a guy with him, and he was looking for the because her granddaughter was young, so situation comes like this, he kills Robin, and then in a panic, John and William as well finished. So you will really enjoy it, but the thing that I really don't like here is the story is a biographical, and the important thing is all these incidents should be shared with the another son, William. He said that many things were not even shared, because if they could get his ideas, they could make it very dramatic and more, because it's a kidnapping and you are just making it very casual, and that's why some scenes were very like not up to the mark. But overall, it is worth watching, and I hope you will like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. I kindly recommend any other movie that you have. So, thank you so much. Bye bye.